In this video, we'll introduce you to the basics of using propane as a cutting torch fuel. And of course, we need to emphasize safety first. The same basic safety procedures apply to using a propane cutting torch as with an acetylene torch. Propane is excellent for cutting, heating, brazing, and soldering. When compared to acetylene, propane is safer, less expensive, and more efficient. To switch from an oxy-acetylene setup to an oxy-propane setup requires only the fuel tank and the tips. Everything else stays the same. Your regulator will be set differently than acetylene and may actually be adjusted to different pressures depending on the work you're doing. It's not necessary to keep the maximum pressure below 15 pounds as with your acetylene setup. And when combined with the correct cutting tip, propane can be set as high as 90 pounds if necessary. Due to the nature of oxypropane cutting, there's no backfire if the tip happens to touch the work surface. And as you can see in this demonstration, cutting is fast and with nearly no slag. With a proper setup, propane will make a clean cut, usually without the need for additional grinding. The propane tip is more effective as well. Propane tips last much longer. They're designed to be cleaned easily by taking it apart and using an ordinary wire brush to clean it. There are no special tip cleaners required, and damage to the torch tip is avoided. Refilling your fuel tanks can be done on-site on your own, or we can deliver filled tanks to you, or we can bring fuel and fill your empties as needed. It's up to you. There's no need for costly tank fees as with acetylene tanks. Now that's just a brief introduction to using propane as your torch fuel. For more information, visit us online at tedjohnsonpropane.com or give us a call at 1-800-4-LPG. And by the way, Ted Johnson Propane is fully equipped to get you started whenever you like.